What's up, guys? Welcome back to the final stage on the Outcomp women's build. This is my wife's bike, and this video is gonna be the last stage. And in this stage, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the wheel set because I have it. Otherwise, I probably would have kept the same wheel set, but I have it, so why not? And I'll leave affiliate links for everything that I'm gonna be using in this video in the description below. If you wanna check them out, it'll help the channel. And if you haven't, please, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and let's get right into it. Alright, so like I said at the beginning of the video, we're gonna be go ahead and replacing the wheel set and the brakes on these things. And the wheel set that I'm gonna be using is this Bockless quick release wheel set that I already had whenever I built the Mongoose Blackham. So I'm gonna be go ahead and replacing this on the front and the rear. 180 millimeter rotors, and I think these are the Zito brakes that I had on the Mongoose Blackham that are gonna end up over here. Right now I still have the original stem because she likes it a little bit shorter than the 780s, and I don't want to cut one if I don't have to. I have a couple laying around, and if at the end of the day, if I makes weight savings worth it, I might go ahead and replace it with the aluminum one. We'll see it, and if it does, it's gonna be in this video as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using the 2.3 Mountain King tires on front and rear, 27.5 by 2.3. Again, affiliates on the description on these items below. Let's go ahead and swap all these things up and let's ride.
¡Prepárate! Let me see you jump. ¡Prepárate! Get ready. Get. Brinca. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Ahí baila.
So I got everything put up, everything's dialed in, and everything's ready to go. She's been helping me. Diles hola.
Hola.
Subscribe.
Bye.
And this build for now is complete. I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything else. I might take off the kickstand. I don't know, because she might use it. She's not gonna go anything for it. She might not even use this bike, but whatever. So let me show you what I got. So let's start at the cockpit. Grips. These are marquee grips. They're like the combination color right here. I have the Zito. Hydraulic brakes. Box 4 8-speed group set. Got the wake stem that she wanted to keep. And then the fork is the Bockless fork, so 27.5 quick release with remote lockout. I had this cable laying around, so I extended it because the one that comes in is too short. And otherwise, I would have ended up put it on the right hand side, which is already too crowded. And this side only has the front brake, so I just went ahead and extended this housing so that I can put the remote lockout on this side. And then I rerouted the front, the rear, the shifter housing on the other side of the stem. I mean on the other side of the head tube, so that I can run freely all the way to the back. I have this, I don't remember the brand, Rider I think they are. I had them before. IXF crankset, hollow tech bottom bracket, and this is a, careful, Mark MS Rec 34 tooth oval chain ring that I ended up putting over here. Why not? And then I hit again over here. I have the box 4 derailleur with the Axum cassette. I don't know if it's the Axum on one that I had already like that. And then for the disc brakes, I kept the original 160 rotor at the rear because I didn't want to mess with that right now. And then at the front, I have a 180 over here at the front. I don't know if I'm gonna be keeping this one or a different one. I might end up using this one on my blue Axum and bring the original Schwinn 180 logo branded over here, and then have the off non-Schwinn branded on the blue Axum. We'll see. Again, I ended up using an adapter over here to fit 180s because this fork apparently can only fit 160s without the adapter. Generic bottle holder and the original handlebar. I might change this in the future, we'll see. And then over here I have the Entity branded that I took off one of my polygons, out either the Bromo or the T8. This was perfect over here, a little bit smaller, perfect for my wife. Might end up changing the seat bolts later on because this is metal and I don't like this setup anyway. I gotta see if, and I might end up doing it later on today, put this one in there because this is aluminum and it has the angle adapter. This bike, the Copeland, that one has to go. I don't need it. I want to get something different. We'll talk about that later. And then for the wheels, I have the Mountain King 2.3s at the front, and at the rear I currently have the Continental Trail King 2.2 at the rear, 27 by 2.2. I will be changing this one for one just like the front, the Mountain King 27.5 by 2.3, because I have it over here. I have two more right here and I just want to make sure that I have the same ones. They were already mounted, so that's why I didn't bother changing them right now, but I will be changing those to make as wider as I can because I do have the space a lot on top and bottom to run maybe even 2.4s. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm not gonna get into 2.4s right now. I'm not gonna spend any more money on this. I'm just gonna end up using it like I have. And then over here we have this that I ended up not using because this was for the front derailleur, and it goes down here, and this is where the front derailleur clamp was being used. I have to check the diameter. If it's the same as the outer door, I have a externally routed dropper post that if it fits here, be sure that I'm gonna be putting in over here, and then I have my things to route the cable out. So this is gonna work perfect. If that seat post, the dropper post fits this one, then I'll make a separate video and let you know about that. But so far for now, this thing is complete. It looks sweet. Let me get it off the stand. This thing started up at almost 40 pounds. It is now 30.38 pounds. If I lose that kickstand, this will be under 30 pounds for sure. And then 486 ounces, we don't care about that, but 13.78 kilos. This thing, if I go tubeless and remove that thing, it might be go under 27 pounds. We'll see. I'm not thinking about going tubeless yet, but that's not a thing that I might not look into. And also remember, this is a steel handlebar. I have an aluminum. I can totally be at around 29 pounds if I wanted to today. I'm not gonna worry about that today. I'll make an update if I need to. Let's stare at it real quick. I don't know what you guys think, but this thing looks sweet. All I gotta do is clean her up, remove batches. That one's gone. Clean her up. I might erase the Schwinn right there. But this thing is pretty much done. Well, except for, again, seat post, handlebar, my replace, kickstand, and erase the logos. So I hope that you like this video. I hope that you like this build. Again, I'm still gonna do a few more things on this bike, so stay tuned. Again, these are I think this one was the fourth stage. And I really I enjoy the process. Here's a little lookout of all the parts that I ended up not using. Taken out. I have the headset right there, the original crankset, the original derailleur, bottom bracket. We have the brakes over there, the wheel set, the original one. I might rebuild those and maybe even change the hubs, the fork, and the chain. And this thing is now trail ready. I gotta take it to the trail and do a review, see how it works. But other than that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and turn the notification bell on. Other than that, and if you want to support the channel, check all the affiliate links in the description below. That's it for today, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.
This is guys. Goodbye.